Today we'll be talking about. I'll be walking you guys through. Today I'll be walking you guys through on how to build the referral parts. This one will be a copy. We'll be using the username. If you input the username here, then submit. The person that has the username for it to be add an extra 1,000 to them. Then your own will now show that you have already used your referral. So this is our HTML. Let me increase it. This is our CSS. You can see and this is our JavaScript. It's just a plain JavaScript. So right now we'll be diving straight to our JavaScript. What are we going to be building? We are going to be building this. We are going to be using a function that when you click this, we get the user input here. Once we get the user input, then our database, our Firebase database. Then first of all, update the person's, like I'm using an tag. Our update is the referred to true. Then update the person that's referred me. The point of the person that referred me with extra 1,000. So let's get started. I'll be doing this cost top of ref. So first of all, create our function top of ref. Once we create our function now, we now add the event listener to our button. I would like to make it async. So our event.prevent default. So this is going to stop the auto refresh. Now we get our submit btn. Then add event listener. Click, then top of ref. So let's log out, click, so that we know when function has been called. Let's inspect. Click. So it's working now. Let's get our user input. This is it. This is our user input, is this value here. If you check our HTML, you can see user input, submit btn for the form. The form's ID is ref form. Then the username comes. So and the copy btn too. So let's get our username input. Because ref username is equals to username. Okay, costs and ref username equals value. Let's log this one out. Okay. Let's see. So it's working now. We are getting it. So what we are going to do is just update this one. So let's check our tags. We have somewhere we are in. Okay. So let's copy this. Then paste here. Just going to be very, very simple. So with this, we are getting the user. Instead of this, we are going to be changing the referred. With the header, right? I don't know about this referred. Let's check it. Yes. Instead of double R referred. Okay. So we change this referred to true. We change it to true. So once user now clicks on this, let me just do random. It's random then submit. Let's check our name. And as you can see, it's true. So with this, we can know that this user has already used their referral slots. Are you getting it? Has already used their referral slot. So let me just go to it. Now we'll be working on getting this, we're already getting this user input. So we are going to be like mapping it out, just like when we did for this point. Let me see. Yes, we now get this point and then update it. So we are going to be getting the username, then update the point. So we are going to be using this one too. This one should do. Yes. And we will not be using this username again. We'll be using this ref username. Yep. And then get. I'm going to remove what something here. So this get. This is going to be 1 extra. And I think this is it. We'll remove this tax point. So we are not working with tax here. It's not going to be username again. It's going to be ref username. So let's try it out. I'm going to be using this one because I don't want us to use. I'm going to reduce it back. I'm not giving point to anybody. Let's just check it out. So this is it. Submit. Then let's check it out. Yes, and as you can see, it was 34. Now it's 10,034. So we want, when we do this, we just get the dots. Target. Parent mode. Let's just check since we are clicking on this with this. Okay, you get the parent. Okay. Let's just do what to remove. So we do this thing, reduce this one to 34 back. Since I'm not giving anybody any points. So once we reduce it to 34, then now copy again. Then paste, and now we are pasting it, submit. Okay, so it's no longer there. And if we refresh now, we'll see it's still there. So we want to get it just like we are getting this out. Okay. I think yes. So once you get it like this, then check it out. I think we will use this. And instead of getting this, okay, let's just use this one. Let's just use this here. And instead of this, we'll be using this one. Okay, yeah. Using let's just get fed. And since you guys know that we changed this, okay, we changed this. Don't have any. Sorry. Something like this. Sorry. So I don't want to. I'm not going to use this. Okay, so let's just remove this one. We're using the username instead of points. We'll be getting the refer user here. I'm not getting the points again. We are getting the refer. Let me just show you guys. It's going to return either true, but if it doesn't return anything, you can see instead of writing 0, I know 0 is equals to false, but just put false. And current point. Ref is this. Then if ref exists, I'll just add class name to it. I'll say that's why I got this ref. list dot add no show. So we'll be checking out what this no show. Let's set this up. We'll be changing this user name comment to our user name. This one here. That is going to be the last stuff that we are going to do. User comment, and this is it. We are getting it. But inner HTML refers to user. So yes, and once we are getting, let me just change this one to one. Yeah, I don't know if it's working. Is it working? It's supposed to be user context the class name. So that should work. Yes. So right now you are going to convert it to take the Telegram interface. So we just changing this like the previous one. You guys are getting like the previous ones. We just change this. Let's change this to this, then round it up with this, and that should be it. Okay. So if you check our tags, if you check our new tags, you will see. If you check our new tags, you will see the connect, return, keeper connect connection. This, if you click on it, it's going to lead you to return keeper and it's going to connect. So I'm not going to do this. I'm not going to explain it here because it's going to need some backing if you are doing it. But if you guys are interested, you guys can just let me know in the comment below. And the link to this, the link to this, and the link. Let me just copy it. I just paste it here. Yeah, will be better. This is the link. Let me just remove this. Yes. So this is going to be the link. It's going to be here, and the link of this code will be in the description. Have a nice day, everyone.